upset, yeah. Now they hit my phone, but they won't get to where I'm at, yeah. Mama always told me that them boys gon' hold you back. You got way too much potential to be worried, that's a fact. Okay, finna skirt the Biscayne, Bentley, I'ma switch lanes. Yes, that's to me, so don't you bother looking this way. 1,000 on me, I just got wifey by like 6 rings. I just say they ballin', but that isn't what they bitch say. All I want, that's on the regular. I talk that money talk, it's on my cellular. Pull up in that all black SUV like Santa does. My chains be shining, I can't hide them, I can't get them. I might just pull up like a face way in the back with a bitch spot a day. I might just cop a diamond chain at easy cheapskates. Then when it cast it all out on the same day, just like a face way. I might just pull up like a face way in the back with a bitch spot a day. I might just cop a diamond chain at easy cheapskates. Then when it cast it all out on the same day, just like a face way. Filling up my confidence, I ain't got no time for that. In a open with a bitch, and she confident. Yeah, she mad thing, like an ad-lib. Living lavish, like a bad bitch. Pull up in a brand new whip, look at my diamonds hit. Ride around with a stick, she all on my feet. Look at my diamonds popping, on the road you can't stop me. While your nose keep dropping, I'm on the top while you talking. I said bitch get the fuck out my face. I'ma shoot with the stick, let it spray. Do the money dance, I'ma make these 100 bands. Skirt up in a whip, shoot them down. I'm like, just pull it like a face ray. In the back with a bitch, spot a day. I might just cop a diamond chain at easy cheapskates. Then when it cast it all out on the same day, just like a face ray. I might just pull it like a face ray. In the back with a bitch, spot a day. I might just cop a diamond chain at easy cheapskates. Then when it cast it all out on the same day, just like a face ray.
chopper wanna fly, nigga. What's up, see him?
My nigga too for the goat, these other niggas basic.
My nigga too for the goat, you other niggas basic. I'm just aiming for my dreams and I'ma go and chase it. Learn that everybody ain't for me, I had to really face it. I ain't tryna go and hit your blunt, I know if you done laced it. I've been feeling like I'm locked, I need a key, but it dry. Man, I got a lot of stories of them times that I done fought. Got a lot of risky shit, but thankful I was never caught. You gotta play a card, a lot of shit that I was taught. Man, my whole life changed once I went and dropped 50. And if I die today, man, who would think about me and miss me? I done been in a situation where it really got got sticky. And I ain't fucking with y'alls, I got a tasty, I'm picky. If you see him out of public, you got it. I was never talked about, I used to be at the bottom. Everybody know me, not them real fans, I'm a spotter. You niggas snitch, they'll go and call police if you rob me. I've been hating off for many years, but gon' keep on laughing. A lot of people mad cause I've been bossing up and you be slacking. Call me Rambo in this bitch, you know we are pistol packing. Used to pop up at the spot up on the 7, it was slapping. I've been hating off for many years, but gon' keep on laughing. A lot of people mad cause I've been bossing up and you be slacking. Call me Rambo in this bitch, you know we are pistol packing. Used to pop up at the spot up on the 7, it was slapping. I'm living wrong, but I'm living life. If I'm in, you gon' get a bite. Was in the dark and tryna cut a light. I hope you see the vision, how I see it, you can see it right. I'm living wrong, but I'm living life. If I'm in, you gon' get a bite. Was in the dark and tryna cut a light. I hope you see the vision, how I see it, you can see it right. Whatever moves, you know I love you, nigga. You my brother to the death, you real blood, my nigga. You a soldier, man, you took a couple slugs, my nigga. And made me know you really got it out the mud, my nigga. If you signing for the shit, just be prepared for the price. Never let a nigga hold me, I'ma put up a fight. Tryna get my breath straight, nigga, I'll be alright. You know I got that 23 and start showing like Mike. I didn't really matter before I grew a lot since the beginning. They won't never show no love, you know they hate to see you winning. They get sneaky tryna diss me, I see you back there grinning. Had to step it up on niggas, they ain't never saw the vision. I didn't really matter before I grew a lot since the beginning. They won't never show no love, you know they hate to see you winning. They get sneaky tryna diss me, I see you back there grinning. Had to step it up on niggas, they ain't never saw the vision. I'm living wrong, but I'm living life. If I'm in, you gon' get a bite. Was in the dark and tryna cut a light. I hope you see the vision, how I see it, you can see it right. I'm living wrong, but I'm living life. If I'm in, you gon' get a bite. Was in the dark and tryna cut a light. I hope you see the vision, how I see it, you can see it right. Too far to go, you other nigga basic, ayy.
I can't leave her. My heart frozen like I dipped it in the freezer. Feeling numb like I got put under the needle. You can feel it when it's coming through the speakers. They say life's a bitch, she a keeper. So I'ma fuck the world, I'ma tease her. It's been getting way too heavy, need a breather. Now you telling me to stay, give me a reason. Fell in love when I was young. Yeah, I fucked it up, understand that I was dumb. I can taste the bitterness that lingers on my tongue, or the breath of innocence that's been filling up my lungs. I've been getting money, I got cuts up in my thumbs. It don't take away the pain or the fact that I'm numb. I've been going stupid, baby, I've been going dumb. I don't wanna face my pride, it's a life on the run. Pour another drink, let me smoke till it's done. Cause I'm thinking about the fact that you should've been the one. Then you went and fucked that dude, told me it don't mean none. Try to lie to me about it, I can feel it in my gut. I made a promise I won't fall in love again. You were supposed to be my wife and be the mother to my kids. Tell me what I gotta do or tell me how I'm supposed to live. Soon as I turn my back, you put a knife up in my ribs. And I can't believe you said all the shit that you said. And I can't believe you did all the shit that you did. Lied to my face, now it's stuck in my head. And I'm left with a life that I don't wanna live. Now I gotta get that bread, baby, get that cake for me. When I leave, baby, please don't wait for me. Cut deep, baby, I'll wait patiently. Just to find out this shit's all make-believe. They say life's a bitch, I can't leave her. My heart frozen like I dipped it in the freezer. Feeling numb like I got put under the needle. You can feel it when it's coming through the speakers. They say life's a bitch, she a keeper. So I'ma fuck the world, I'ma tease her. It's been getting way too heavy, need a breather. Now you telling me to stay, give me a reason. I got trust issues, on trust issues. Now I gotta wonder why I fucked with you. And it's so hard to admit that I still love you too. But I just hope that this Henny touched me too. And I should probably worry about my profit. I got things to worry about off topic. Put a line in the sand, they wanna cross it. That boy talking out his tongue, so I'ma chop it. Now I'm sitting at the table with the bosses, doctors, mobsters, steak with the lobster. I can move on, I learned to live live with the losses, but I can't fall in love, it's not worth what the cost is. Now I'm riding around the city with my top down. Everybody fucking with me wanna rock now, but I know you only love me cause I'm hot now, and I know you only want me cause I'm gone. They say life's a bitch, I can't leave her. My heart frozen like I dipped it in the freezer. Feeling numb like I got put under the needle. You can feel it when it's coming through the speakers. They say life's a bitch, she a keeper. So I'ma fuck the world, I'm a teaser. It's been getting way too heavy, need a breather. Now you telling me to stay, give me a reason.
Brother, they keep it on them, they be watching, I know what they got. Remember we looking for money and took what we got, had me stuffing dollars in my pocket. I looked in the eyes of a killer, I knew he was hurt, but them demons wouldn't let him stop it. Just speaking my life when I talk to the mic, I've been walking through hell, but look what I accomplished. I pray to God even know that I'm sinning. This makes you start when you feel like you're finished. Deep in my thoughts, I'm constantly in it. Look where I'm at and it's just the beginning. So many losses, I wanted to stop. Now my mama proud because I'm finally winning. Better in jail, what you get from the block, had to leave it behind just to better my image. I know they be hating, I don't let it bother me, giving on mine cause I'm grinding for sure. Like he was locked in his cell, can't believe that he out turning up cause he finally home. Could I lie like I ain't call for help and nobody was there, so I work on my own. Got E3 with me, you know that's my brother, and I'll keep it solid till one day I'm gone. That mama stay strong for me, I know I'ma make it, just waiting for the day it happens. Like please stay strong for me, they thought I was playing, no I don't see nobody laughing. My brothers do wrong for me, don't play with our money, this ain't no game but we get active. Ain't doing this song for me, I do it for Brody, I know that he in heaven clapping. They keep on saying they with me, I know they ain't with me, while all these people keep on capping. I know a few niggas who could make it out, but they stuck in the streets, ain't no way that they lasting. Call him my brother, he told him to send me, I'm running with 30s, you know that we blasting. Niggas be talking, they ain't really with it, he wanna go get it, then put him in casket. I made it out and I made me away, towing the 30, I'm towing the K. Ride for my brothers and that's every day, I'll keep on going, don't care what they say. Don't get cold outside in the winter, riding for my brothers, we gon' hop up in the sprinter. Smoking on your homie, tell a little nigga get up, running to the top, tell them niggas get with us. I don't know what to do with myself, feel like I've been trapped in a hole. I've been chasing this money like crazy, but I'll never chase me a hoe. My brother told me never lack, so I keep it with me, I'm tucking the pole. Feel like nobody watching my back, so I stay on 50s, I'm ready to go. Yeah, ready to go. Ready to go, yeah. Ready to go. Ready to go, yeah. Ready to go. I'm ready to go, yeah.
Now she right back to me, sending me signal. But I'm sorry, baby, got too much to lose. Time to go and close the doors with you. All these people got me so confused, saying things I know are never true. I remember I was hurting, they ain't say a thing to me. I was working while in college for 100 bills a week. Promise you ain't saying nothing if it ain't about the green. Ain't nobody for a minute, now they know me overseas. Off-white drip, two-tone, yes please. With a brand new whip, don't need no keys. With a wallet in my pocket, probably hold a couple G's. I'm the definition, what they wanna beat it to a T. Cross on my chest like Bible verses. This game's been dead, let's find the hearses. I'ma still be me, my time is worth it. They don't wanna see me win, so the time is perfect. They don't fool me once, put the blame on me, but I won't go back again. Now I got my hunch, told the whole team to run it, then we done with living average. Had to get my back, fly out Perico. Stab my racks with a brand new C-No. She didn't wanna talk, brand new ego. Now she right back to me, sending me signal. But I'm sorry, baby, got too much to lose. Time to go and close the doors with you. All these people got me so confused, saying things I know are never true. Slowing it down just to make sure you get it. They fake it, they never, I call them prosthetic. A Super Bowl winners, my team is authentic. You hate if you want, but I'll never forget it. All list of people I'm knowing that doubted me. Now that I'm up, they be saying they proud of me. Fendi and Prada designing my policy. Out of my Birkin and turned to a prodigy. On and on my own, run my race with no relay. 5 years strong, that's all I want. Let some snakes right along that way. Y'all been wrong, I found my throne. Top my hill is where I reign. Told my mom, coming back home with a brand new bag, finna take a vacation. Gotta get my back, fly out Perico. Stab my racks with a brand new C-No. She didn't wanna talk, brand new ego. Now she right back to me, sending me signal. But I'm sorry, baby, got too much to lose. Time to go and close the doors with you. All these people got me so confused, saying things I know are never true.
on my mind, there's a lot up in my mental, but I gotta go hard, gotta go and push the pedal. Pouring out my heart, every instrumental, and I gotta do good, gotta beat the devil. There's a lot on my mind, there's a lot up in my mental, but I gotta go hard, gotta go and push the pedal. Pouring out my heart, every instrumental, and I gotta do good, gotta beat the devil. I've been moving smarter and harder, saying young nigga, but I came up from the water. I'm that nigga that's gon' do me till I'm stronger. You been hating on me, you can't break a monster. Say 10 toes, and I took away the nonsense. Cap got close, but he helped me with the process. I can never fold to me, there ain't other options. Niggas want me dead, so I gotta move cautious. They just want the old me, you could've told me. The kid who lost himself, but remember slowly who the hell he was, and that nigga showed me that he gon' be a star if he listens closely. So you can see the pain in my eyes for the days I'm alive. See the pain in that eye, you know I can't cry. And niggas want me dead, so I gotta move sly. If you ask why, nigga, this why. There's a lot on my mind, there's a lot up in my mental, but I gotta go hard, gotta go and push the pedal. Pouring out my heart, every instrumental, and I gotta do good, gotta beat the devil. There's a lot on my mind, there's a lot up in my mental, but I gotta go hard, gotta go and push the pedal. Pouring out my heart, every instrumental, and I gotta do good, gotta beat the devil. Life is a process, the way it is. I had to go struggle before I made it in. Mama worked 3 jobs just to make us win, so it's only best I win to go make her green. Cause I never did that before, I know I did wrong. She told me be strong, you won't be alone. I gotta make a smile from a life that's really wild. If you ask why, nigga, this why. There's a lot on my mind, there's a lot up in my mental, but I gotta go hard, gotta go and push the pedal. Pouring out my heart, every instrumental, and I gotta do good, gotta beat the devil. There's a lot on my mind, there's a lot up in my mental, but I gotta go hard, gotta go and push the pedal. Pouring out my heart, every instrumental, and I gotta do good, gotta beat the devil.
Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a miss. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, roll on to the back, we can do this shit all again.
Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, roll on to the back, we can do this shit all again. They all in the front, they show me love, them bitches, they bought their friends. Got racks in my pants and 10 in my hands, look how long I wait for this. I'm Mary Jeans with Dolce Gabbana, Fendi T, I might throw on the Pradas. I stay fly and I do what I wanna, who the Prince of Flatbush? I'm the king of my hood, now let's see how that look. DC to New York, just know we all good. But nigga, don't forget who was down for you. Most these bitches was clowning you. Shit show me I never lied to you. Now you pull up, I got rounds for you, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a miss. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, roll on to the back, we can do this shit all again.
Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, roll on to the back, we can do this shit all again. We can do this shit all again. Knew what I wanted at the age of 10. No matter story or path, I always knew money was gonna be the end. Did what I want with no consequence. Now we gon' ball in the score again. We not allowed in the store again. I think cause we bought all the clothes again. All of them packages made a shit. Found a new beat and I made a hit. This is the story I started with. We got a boat to the max, couple bands on my neck. Ran through cash and checks. You don't gotta second guess. I know I'ma be the best. I know I'ma be the best, yeah. Same nigga from the block, same nigga from the steps. Roll the dice, play it twice. You just might lose your life in these streets every night. I know niggas that was getting this chicken, they cooking up. Guess they good in the kitchen. I started off from the street to the city. I'm getting guap, let's go fuck up the city, yeah, yeah. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, or run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was
shot pain, it's never gonna change. RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, so on to the back, we can do this shit all again.
No, she tired of me.
I put on for my city, they proud of me. So my mama, we on no more poverty. They don't like how I turned to a prodigy. Taking chance after chance just so I succeed. Bitch, I know I'm up, this ain't no probably. Since my drip, I can change the viscosity. They can't name a young nigga that's hot as me. Go by go, but I come from a lion's breed. Oh, I'm out of this world, ain't no finding me. I'm so high on my mind, I see galaxies. Chasing Jedi, I burned a few calories. Stay at work in my car, know they tired of me. Niggas tell me stop chasing that fantasy. I'm just turning my dreams to reality. It's so crazy how people was doubting me. Trying to fill on my pockets with evergreen. I was down on my ass, so they laughed at me. Now my neck shining bright like a Christmas tree. If there's one thing my pops ever told to me, don't let no one turn you to a casualty. He say keep my head up and from there it's been stuck. I can't see no one else that can rock with me. First track that I dropped, it got me a quick buzz. Really came a long way, now I'm catching the big dubs. Talking down about a nigga, I couldn't get too fussed. People switch along the way, it was tearing my mind up. Y'all wasn't with me through the store when I thought about giving up. Y'all wasn't there when I was thinking about is it gon' be enough. Fight to the mind every night, all my demons were laying up. I had to get up at the hole and start running my digits up. All my life I've been grinding them, put all this time and no way I could ever look back. Know I got what it takes to go run up, so can't put it up, watch it grow in the stash. Take a look in my eyes, see they lit up with fire, but can't see all the pain from my past. Can't forget how they treated me, then now they all on my distance, I got in my bag. City, they proud of me. So my mama, we up, no more poverty. They don't like how I turned to a prodigy. Taking chance after chance just so I succeed. Bitch, I know I'm up, this ain't no problem. Switch my drip, I can change the viscosity. They can't name a young nigga that's hot as me. Go by go, but I come from a lion's breed. Oh, I'm out of this world, ain't no finding me. I'm so high on my mind, I see galaxies. Chasing Jedi, I burned a few calories. Stay out working my car, know they tired of me. Niggas tell me stop chasing that fantasy. I'm just turning my dreams to reality. I don't hang on no more people, show they true colors. The same ones that cross you be screaming, I love you. You don't gotta lie to me, keep it 100. Show me how you come and save me all the troubles. Don't come around me if you don't see the vision. How I'm seeing crystal and you seeing tunnel. I done see so many